Alright, in this video I'll be explaining the mechanisms of multi-substrate enzyme catalyzed reactions. Now there are three main mechanisms for multi-substrate enzyme catalyzed reaction, and the first we are going to look at is the rapid equilibrium bye-bye mechanism. Now in the rapid equilibrium bye-bye mechanism, there is no restriction to the substrate that bind first. Let's look at one enzyme with two substrate binding. The substrates are substrate A and substrate B. Now there is no restriction to the enzyme that binds first. Now in the rapid equilibrium bye-bye mechanism, now this is the enzyme E. A can bind first to E to form EA complex. B can also bind first to form EB complex. Now if A binds first to form EA complex, B can then bind to form EAB complex. If B binds first to form EB, A can then bind to form EAB complex. Catalysis will take place and products will be formed. PQ. P is the product for A, Q is the product for B. Then the products will be released and our enzyme is recovered. Good. Now in the ordered bye-bye mechanism, there is a restriction. Unlike in the rapid, in the ordered bye-bye mechanism, there is a restriction to the substrate that binds first. Now it's either A must bind before B can bind. So it's just like you have a room, you have a house, and two persons are living in that house, but only one person has the key. So it is when the person that has the key gets into the house that the other person can get in. So A binds to form EA before B can bind. So A must bind before B binds to form the EAB complex. Catalysis takes place to form products, and the products are given off. So there's a restriction to the one binding first. The last one, which is the ping-pong mechanism. In the ping-pong mechanism, a particular substrate must bind first. Catalysis takes place to form products before the second substrate can bind. Take a look at what I mean now. Now this is the enzyme. A must bind first to form EA complex. Catalysis takes place here. Product is formed, and the product is given off. This product is given off before B, the next substrate, can bind to form EB complex. Catalysis takes place to form product, and the product is given off. So these are the three main mechanisms for the multi-substrate enzyme catalyzed reactions. If you have any question, please do well to drop the questions. I will attend to them.